on top of the clothes pile is a harmonica. Out of its case in the country of Kitchen. Yes, you should see the looks I got from the Christmas jumper. What? You should see them. And says, I bet I'll be lying there till early December before meeting the washing machine. There's the washing machine, folks, and the cat went on the washing machine. And before meeting the washing machine, we are alike, said the harmonica. We love leaving our surroundings, travelling to big concerts. One year I was at a Eurythmic concert and I fell in love with an A-keyed harmonica. Oh, it must have been an angel playing with my harp. Not exactly, said the jumper. You don't have a gold. I can't read that. You don't have with bells, mind. Well, I haven't got bells, but yeah, with bells and a bear, is it a bear? Yeah. You don't have bells with a bear. A bear with a bells, a bear bells, baby bells, bear bells. Anyway, to get this shot rolling, you don't have to be a reveller with bells. Mind you, Big Susie wears me all over winter, because it's all the jumper she's got. Oh no, here she comes. Is it? Oh, no, that's a cat. Last time Humpy Money, Jim played me outside with some guys with guitars and bass, drums, xylophone normally. Well, xylophone sounds, rimming sounds, bass drum, snare drum, toms, left, right, toms. Well, that's enough for the drum bit, isn't it? Well, this is it. Next page here. This is it, the next page. This is going to be fun. This is shit. And there the washing machine went. The washing machine went. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dog, 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 dig, dig, chicka, 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 diddle 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 boing bully boo 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 boing bang bong 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 which to the harmonicas sounded like Chubby Checker, the twist, because it goes round and round and round and round she goes. The harmonica sighed. I miss Jim's mouth. Oh well, there we go. We'll just put it